Hello everyone, welcome to 100 Days Mathematics Conceptual Learning Challenge. Today we'll continue the same chapter, that is factorization. Today we'll learn about factorization by splitting the middle term. So first let us see what is the meaning of middle term. Okay, if I write x square plus 11x plus 30, okay, now this is our middle term. Okay, this is called our middle term. Middle term. So what are the process involved in splitting middle term? See, our standard quadratic polynomials can be written as ax square plus bx plus c. So the first step is to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant. Okay, so first step is multiply coefficient of x square and the constant. So what is meaning of that? That means you are going to multiply a with c. This is the first step. Okay, after you are done with that, so if I do it here, what is our constant here? Constant is 30. And what is the coefficient of x square? It is 1. So 30 into 1 or 1 into 30 is equals to 30. Now, my next step is to split this middle term in such a way that product is 30 but the addition is 11x. So, how can we do that? See, 30 can be prime factorized. If I give it by 2, it is 15. So, I can't find any relation between 2 and 15 that gives us 11. Then again I give it 3 and then it go 5 times. Now I can find some relation that 2 into 3 and 5, that is 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 5 will give us 11. So we can write this 11x as 6x plus 5x, and you can see the product of 6x and 5x is 30 x square. Okay, so x is now the rest of the things can be written as like this. Now find the common here. So you can see x is common. So x plus 6 plus here common is 5. So x plus 6. Okay. You will always get the same expression in both the brackets. Okay. So our final answer is x plus 6 and x plus 5. Okay. So this is the way you can solve the questions by splitting middle term. So let us see few more questions. First question is x square plus 5x plus 6. So what is the coefficient of x square here? It is 1 and constant is 6. So if you multiply with 1 and 6, you will get 6 into 1, that is 6. Now you are going to divide 6 in such a way that addition will give us 5. So you can see if you prime factorize 6, you will get 2 into 3. Now you see 5x can be written as 2x plus 3x, and the rest of the things you will write as it is. Now you can see the common here in the first two term. What is common? It is x plus 2 plus 3 x plus 2. So the final answer is x plus 3 and x plus 2. Okay. Next question. So here our constant is 24 and the coefficient is 1. To multiply 24 into 1, that is 24. Now, you are going to prime factorize 24 in such a way that you are going to get 10y as addition and 24 as a multiplication. Now, if I give it by 2, then it is 12. Okay. Then if I give it by 2 more, then it is 6. Now you can see 6 plus 4 will give us 10. And multiplication 6 into 4 is 24. So I can write this 10y as 4y plus 6y. And the rest of the things can be written as it is. So y square plus and 24 here. Now, so what will be the common here in the first two term? It is, sorry, it is y here. Okay, let me correct it. You won't get x anywhere. It is y. So you can see y is common. So y plus 4, then plus 6, y plus 4. The final answer will be y plus 4 and y plus 6. Okay. Next question. Y square minus 23y plus 4 square, that is 16. So first I will write it as y square. I think it is by mistake it is written 2 here. So correct question is y square minus 23y plus 4 only. So now, no, it is 16 here because we can't split 4 into 20. It is 16. So I'm writing y square minus 23y plus 16. Now, 16 should be, uh, I think it is not 16. Sorry, it is 42. By mistake, it has been written. Okay, it is 42. Sorry. So we will correct it. I'm writing it as a 42. Your correct question is this. Okay. Now 42 will be split in such a way that you get minus 23y in the middle. So if I give 2 times, it is 21. So you can see 21 plus 20 plus 2 gives you 23. Now this can be written as minus 2y minus 21y. And the rest of the things you can write as it is. So your answer will be y as common, y minus 2 minus 21 common, y minus 2. So the final answer is y minus 21 and y minus 2. Okay, next question. X square minus 17x plus 16. So the coefficient of x square is 1. Multiply it by 16. It will be 16. So 16, 1 into 16. So you can see that 16 and 1 will give us together 17. So I can write this minus 17x as minus x minus 16x. Okay? And the rest of the numbers will be writing like this only. So the final answer will be x as a common, x minus 1 minus 16 common, x minus 1. Now the final answer x minus 16 into x minus 1. A square plus 6a minus 9. So coefficient of a square is 1. So 1 will be multiplied with 9. It is 1 into 9. So it is, you can say, actually you have to take the sign minus also. So take it a minus 9. So minus 9. Product should be minus 9. So how will you get it? You will get, break the minus 9 in prime factorization. You will get 3 as a minus 3. Okay. Oh, that means just 3 into 3. That means a square minus 3a minus, I think it is a mistake here. So the question is wrong. Okay. It should be plus only here also. Okay. So correct the question. There is no minus involved here. Okay. Now it is plus 3a plus 9. So 9a square should be our product. And so here a plus 3 plus 3 as common, a plus 3. So the final answer is a plus 3 and a plus 3. Okay, next. 3 plus 23z minus 8z square. So how will you write this? So first we have to arrange these terms of the polynomial. Okay, so we can arrange it minus 8z square plus 23z plus 3. Now you multiply the coefficient of z square, that is minus 8 into 3. It is your minus 24. Now, how will you break 24? So that we get 23z, that is plus 23z. So, you can write 24 into 1. That means 24z minus z. Now plus minus 8z square plus 3. Now you get the common here. What is the common in these two? You have got 8 as common and z is also there. So minus z plus 3 minus 1 as common. No, minus 1 as plus 1 you can take as a common. Then you have minus z plus 3. So the final answer you will write at 8z plus 1 minus z plus 3. Okay. M square plus 19m minus 150. So coefficient of m square is 1. Multiply it with 150. That is 1 into minus 150. You get minus 150. Okay. Now you have to convert 150 in such a way that you get 19m in the middle. So let us prime factorize. You will go 2 times, it is 75. Then it will go again 3 times, it is 25. So you can see 2 3s are 6, 25. So there is a relation between that. 25m minus 6m will give us 19m. Okay, so I can write m square plus this minus 150. So I will get m as common. So m plus 25 minus 6 as common. Then I will write m plus 25. So our answer is m minus 6, m plus 25. Okay. Next question. 4p square minus 8p plus 3. So 4p square, that means coefficient of p square is 4 and you will multiply it with 3. So you will get 12. Okay, 4 into 3, that is 12. Now you have to split 12 in such a way that you get minus 8p in the middle. So how will you split? 12, you will go 2 6. So 2 and 6, that means minus 8p can be written as minus 2p minus 6p. See, sum will give minus 8p and the product will give us plus 12. Okay, so it is correct. So 4p square minus this and plus 3. So finally your answer will be 2p you will take as a common. So you will have 2p minus 1 minus 3 as common. You will get 2p minus 1. So the final answer is 2p minus 3, 2p minus 1. Sorry. 2p minus 1. Next question. A square minus 4a minus 12. Okay, so coefficient of a is 1. You will multiply it by minus 12. 1 into minus 12 should be minus 12. Now you are going to divide 12 in such a way that you get minus 4. Okay, see, you will go with 2, then it will be 6 here. So you can see, I can write a square minus 6a plus 2a minus 12. Okay, so a I can get as a common, so a minus 6 plus 2 as common, a minus 6. So the final answer is a plus 2 and a minus 6. Next question. 3x square plus 10x plus 8. How will you factorize this? Multiply 8 with the coefficient of x square, that is 3. So 8 into 3, it is 24. You can factorize 24 in such a way that you get 10x as common. So it is to 12. Then again 2 times it is 6. 6 and 4 will work. So 10x can be written as 4x and 6x. Okay. So 3x square plus 4x plus this. So you can take the LCM here. Sorry, common here. You will get common as x. And so you can write 3x plus 4. Here you will get 2 as common. 3x plus 4. So the final answer is x plus 2 and 3x plus 4. Next. X square plus x minus 132. Now, coefficient of x square is 1. When multiplied with minus 132, it will give us minus 132. Now, 130 should be uh, split in such a way that you get plus x in the middle. Okay. Now you see 132, if you give it by, it will be 3, so it will be 4 and 4. Now, you can give it by 2 also, it is 22. Again, it will not 2 times, it is 11. So 3, 2 into 2, it will give you 12 into 11. So I can split this as a 12x minus 11x. Okay. X square plus this minus 132. So you will get x as common. X plus 12 minus 11 as common. X plus 12. So the final answer is x minus 11, x plus 12. 7y square minus 19y plus 6. Sorry, minus 6. So 7 into minus 6 will give me minus 42. Now I will break 42 so that I get minus 19. I can relate it to minus 19. So I will get it by 2 times, it is 21. I can see 21 minus 2 will give us 19. So 7y square minus this 19, that is minus 21y plus 2y minus 6. So you can see 7y as common, y minus 3 plus 2 common, y minus 3. So the final answer will be 7y plus 2, y minus 3. Next question. X square minus 22x plus 120. So coefficient of x square is 1. Multiply it by the constant. It is 1 into 120, that is 120. Now you are going to break 120 in such a way that you get minus 22. Now 120 2 times 60, then again 2 times 30. Again 2 times you will give it, you will 15. So you can see can go further, 3 times to 5. So are you able to relate anything? Yes. So how will you relate that? See, 2, 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, and 2 5 ja 10. That means 12 and 10 will work it. So minus 12x minus 10x. Okay. Rest of the things I can write as it is. So final I can get the answer as x common, x minus 12 minus 10 common, x minus 12. So the final answer is x minus 10 and x minus 12. Next question. X square minus x minus 156. So coefficient of x square is 1, multiply it by minus 156. So 1 into minus 156 will give you minus 156. Okay, now you have to break 156 to bring minus x. So let me do it 2 times, it is 7, 8, 78, then 39. You will break it further by 30, 3 times, sorry, 3, it will give 13. So you can see 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 12 into 13. That means 156 can be written as 12 into 13. So we have minus 13x plus 12x minus 156, and here we have x square. So I can relate this. Now x is common, x minus 13 plus 12 is common, x minus 13. So the final answer is x plus 12, x minus 13. So thank you. This was all from today's session. If you have any doubt, don't forget to mention that in the comment box. We'll see you soon on the day 10, and on day 10 we will be starting the new chapter, that is quadrilateral. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Thank you.